Is the language set in your Facebook app not to your liking? Well, there's definitely a feature that lets you change language in Facebook. To learn how to change language in Facebook, let's watch further. So, first thing you want to do is open your Facebook app, and then at the right corner, you'll see three lines at the top. So, just tap on the three lines, and then tap on settings and privacy all the way down here, and then you'll see all these four options, and you'll want to click on settings, the first option. So scroll all the way down, and under the heading preference you'll see language and region right here around the middle of your screen. So tap on language and region. So the first option you'll see, it says language for buttons, titles, and other text from Facebook. So you'll want to tap on this. And then right now my language is set to my device language, and you can just set it to whichever language you want, if it's English United Kingdom, or general English, or Spanish, whatever you want. So now you can see that my Facebook language has been changed to Spanish, and you can just click on it. It is automatically saved. So that's it. You have learned how to change language on Facebook. And if you're wondering how to delete story on Facebook app, well, you can just tap on that screen and it'll take you right there. Until next time.